Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaleva. Today we are going to do the problems in exercise 3.1 and 3.2 from the chapter percentage and average. The first exercise 3.1 you are going to learn to write the given fraction as percentage. For that we are going to multiply the given fraction 3 by 20 by 100 percentage. Now if there is any possibilities to reduce the numerator number and denominator number, we can reduce it. Here we can cut 1 0 1 0, then in 2 table 1 time, here in 2 table 5 times 10. Now we have to multiply the numerator numbers. 3 5s are 15. So that is 15 percentage. Answer is 15 percentage. To convert the fraction as a percentage, we are going to multiply it by 100 percentage. The second one is 27 by 40. To convert it, we have to multiply it by 100 percentage. Now, we have to reduce it. Here we can cut 1 0 here and 1 0 here. Then, we can reduce 4 and 10 in 2 table. In 2 table 2 times, in 2 table 5 times. In numerator 27 and 5 is there. In denominator 2. Both the numbers are not divisible by 2. So, we are going to multiply the numbers, numerator numbers. Here 5 7s are 35. 5, 3 carry over, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3, 13. 135 by 2 percentage. Now, we got an improper fraction. So, we have to convert it into mixed number. For that, we have to divide the numerator number 135 by the denominator 2. Here, in 13, 6 times 2 is there. 6 2s are 12. Now we have to subtract 13 minus 12, 1. Now we have to take the next digit 5. In 15, 2 7s are 14. Now we have to subtract 1. So 67 is the quotient. 1 is the remainder. Now we have to write in the form of quotient as a whole number part and remainder by divisor as a fractional part. So quotient is 67, remainder 1 by divisor 2. So, the answer is 67 1 by 2 percentage. The next one 14 by 50. Here 14 by 50 we have to multiply it by 100 percentage. Here we can cut 1 0 1 0, then 5 and 10 are divisible by 5. One time. Here 2 times. Now we have to multiply the numerator numbers. 14 2s are 28. So that is 28 percentage. Answer is 28 percentage. See the next one. We are having a mixed fraction. For that first we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then what you will get 20 into 1 20. 20 plus 3 23. The same denominator number 20. Now we got 23 by 20. This is an improper fraction for the given mixed fraction. To convert it to the percentage, we are going to multiply it by 100 percentage. Now we can cut 1 0 1 0 here. 2 and 10 are divisible by 2. So in 2 table 1 time, in 2 table 5 times. Now we have to multiply the numerator numbers. Here 5 3s are 15. 5. Here 1 carry over, 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So that is 115 percentage. So the answer is 115 percentage. Here we are having a mixed fraction. So first we are converting it into improper fraction. After that we are converting into percentage. The next one 1 1 by 10. This is also an improper fraction. First mixed fraction. We have to convert it into improper fraction. So we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. Then we have to add the numerator. 10 into 1 10. 10 plus 1 11. Divided by the same denominator number 10. Now we have to multiply it by 100 percentage. Now we can reduce the zeros. 1 0 1 0. So no other possibilities. We have to multiply the numerator numbers. 11 into 10. We will get 110. 110 percentage. So the answer is 110 percentage. See here, the next one, 48 by 200. 48 by 200. To convert it into percentage, we have to multiply it by 100 percentage. Here we can cut the two zeros. Then we can reduce the numbers 48 and 2 in 2 table. In 2 table 1 time. Here in 4, 2 times 2 2s are 4. In 8, 4 times 4 2s are 8. So that is 24 percentage. So the answer is 24 percentage. The next one, 11 by 100. Here the denominator is 100. If in the fraction the denominator is 100 means we can write the numerator number as percentage. So that is 11 percentage. Here 67 by 100, that is 67 percentage. If the fraction, in the fraction, if the denominator is 100, we can write the percentage directly. Is it clear? Now we are going to do the problems in exercise 3.2. Here percentage is given, we are going to write as fraction. The first one is 9 percentage. 9 percentage means we have to write as 9 by 100. Because if the denominator is 100, we can write as percentage. So 9 percentage is given. So we are writing as fraction 9 by 100. If there is any possibilities to reduce the numerator and denominator, we have to simplify it. But here 9 by 100, there is no possibilities to reduce. So 9 by 100 is the answer. So 9 percentage is equal to 9 by 100. This is the fraction form. Okay. The second one is 60 percentage. We have to write as 60 divided by 100. Now we can reduce the numbers. We can cut 10 10. Now we are having 6 and 10. Both the numbers are divisible by 2. In 2 table 3 times. In 2 table 5 times. Now we are having 3 and 5. There is no other possibilities to reduce. So 3 by 5 is the fraction. So 60 percentage is equal to 3 by 5. Is it clear? Then the next one, 2 by 9 percentage. Here we are having a mixed fraction. So first we are going to convert it as a improper fraction. Okay, first while writing it as fraction, we will get 2 by 9 divided by 100. Like that we have to write. First we are going to convert the mixed fraction as improper fraction. For that we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 by 9 divided by 100. Here the denominator number will come in the denominator. So we will get 20 by 9 into 100. Okay, here we are having two denominators. In the numerator, one denominator is there. As a whole, we are having another denominator. So we have to multiply the numbers which are in denominators. So we will get 20 by 9 into 100. Now we can reduce the numbers. Okay, 10 10. In 2 table we can reduce the numbers 2 and 10. 5 times. Now no other possibilities. So in numerator we are having 1. In denominator 9 into 5. So 9 5s are 45. So 1 by 45 is the answer. 2 by 9 percentage is equal to 1 by 45. This is the fraction. Next one, we are having 1 by 3 by 100. While writing as a fraction, we have to write like this. Then we have to convert the mixed fraction as improper fraction. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10 by 3 by 100. Now we have to multiply the denominator numbers. 10 is the numerator number. Then in denominator first 3 into 100. Now we have to reduce the numbers. Here we can cut 10 10. No other possibilities. So in numerator 1. In denominator we have to multiply the numbers. 3 into 10, 30. So 1 by 30 is the fraction. 1 by 3 percentage. For this percentage, 1 by 3 is the fraction. Is it clear? The next one, 5 1 by 2 percentage. First we have to write as a fraction 5 1 by 2 by 100. Now we have to convert it into improper fraction. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 by 2, the denominator is 100. Now we have to multiply the denominator numbers. 11 is the numerator, in denominator 2 into 100. Now whether we can reduce the numbers, 11 is a prime number, so we can't reduce it. So we have to write the number as it is in the numerator, then we have to multiply the denominator numbers. 2 into 100, 200. So 11 by 200 is the answer. 5 1 by 2 percentage is equal to 11 by 200. The next one, 28 percentage. Here we can write as 28 by 100. Here both the numbers are even numbers, so we can reduce it in 2 table. In 2 table, 1 times 2, 2 table 4 times 8. Here 50 times. Again both the numbers are even numbers, we can reduce it in 2 table. In 2 table 7 times 14, here in 2 table 25 times 50. Now 7 and 25. 7 is a prime number, so we can't reduce it again. So 7 by 25 is the fraction. So 28 percentage is equal to 7 by 25. This is the fraction for the given percentage. Was it clear, children? Hope you all understand. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.